Hello everyone, welcome to Healing Presence. I'm Dr. Jyotika, a holistic doctor from Jaipur, India. This video is about what is a radical chakra reading. So you all must have heard about what is a chakra reading. What is this radical chakra reading? Simply stated, it is a chakra reading that has a potential to bring about radical changes in the way you perceive your issues, people, life, and even yourself. And as that perception changes, it brings about radical shifts in your life in different areas. You may be working on one thing and the ripple effects bring about results in various other areas. So good side effects of working on yourself. Okay. And there are a variety of radical chakra readings that we offer, and I'm going to tell you about each in some little detail, okay? But what do we actually do in a radical chakra reading? So we check 7 major and about more than 200 minor chakras, and we analyze the reading that we get, the blockages that show up in your reading. We analyze them, and with that an analysis we diagnose, like a doctor diagnoses at the body level. I, a holistic doctor, diagnoses what's happening in the subconscious mind level that is creating any issue in your life. See, ultimately the root cause of everything, every issue, the good, bad, the ugly, lies in the subconscious mind. The manufacturing unit of all your issues is within your own subconscious mind. And why is it creating issues? Because it is on autopilot. If you consciously, actively take charge of this factory, then you can mold it to create what you desire, rather than being on an autopilot and creating problems only, right? But what do we need to change? How do we take charge of it? We must know it. So as holistic doctor, with this reading I am able to diagnose exactly what you need to work on and what is the solution. And then with the discussion we can come to how you can implement it in your own unique circumstances with your own capacities and choices and preferences, right? So a general reading tells you the overall condition of your chakras and what are your mental, thoughts, emotions, beliefs that are creating blockages in your energy system and how you can clear it. And once you clear it, there is free flow of cosmic energy and prana within your system, and your body, mind, soul gets aligned. Your physical world, material world, and the spiritual world, they get aligned. And that is the key to success in any area of your life. Once you're aligned, you're consciously moving forward in life, success cannot remain away from you. So a general reading can give you that. Another reading, which is the most popular, I can say, or most sought after, is the issue specific reading. So as the name suggests, if you have any issue in your life, I've told you the root cause lies in the subconscious mind. So would you like to know, would you like to explore what are the hidden causes of this issue? What's going on within you that you're not even aware of, that is creating that trouble in your life? So this I call it's the MRI of your subconscious mind. This radical chakra reading, it tells you what's happening in your subconscious mind. What are the blockages? What we need to work on? What internal shifts you need to make? And once we become aware of the cause and what will clear this blockage and how you implement it, you can just go about it and change your life, get what you desire. I can support you and guide you in that. That's my role, like a doctor. It's like doctor of the mind. In Hindi, man ka doctor. So I am a man ka doctor. But I do integrate. It's not just what's happening at the mind. what you need to do at the practical level, subconscious mind, thoughts, emotions, beliefs levels, the soul level, everything can be combined. So that's my specialty, to integrate. Yes. Now the third reading is the relationship reading. Relationship radical chakra reading tells you about the entire dynamics, the hidden dynamics of the relationship. And in this we do 3 readings. One reading tells about what you are experiencing in this relationship. What are the blockages from your end? What is your contribution to the good, bad, ugly and the challenges showing up in the relationship? And another reading is what is the other person's role in how the relationship is being created as of now. How each of you are experiencing the relationship. What is he or she going through in the relationship? That's the second reading. And the third reading is the relationship as a whole itself is an entity. When 2 people meet, it's 1 + 1, it becomes 11. And this entity, the relationship entity, has its own energy. Your children, if it's a marriage, then your children are impacted by this third energy, not the individual. They are in fact born out of this energy, the third energy. So we also check this third energy and see what are the outer influences and on the relationship, and what is the relationship feeling, what the relationship wants to tell you, right? So this is a relationship reading, and definitely if you are done with the blame game and you really want to work on the relationship, this is the MRI of your relationship. So you will identify the areas which are creating problem and how to deal with them to clear the blockage and have the relationship that you truly desire, right? Even if it is a past relationship, a divorced one, you're still in pain, or you just had a breakup, the other person just went away, just ghosted you. What do you do with it? So many areas, and it's not just with a person, relationship with money, relationship with any property, relationship with business, that also can be done. So I told you, I am telling you the main readings we do, but radical chakra reading can be done for anything. Okay. Next is a marriage alliance reading. So ideally you should get it done before getting married, but before, during, after, it doesn't matter. I feel everyone should get this. Every married person should get this reading done. You know what it tells you? It tells you about what is your strength as an individual in the marriage, per se general marriage, and what is the other person's strength and weaknesses, right? And when you've got into the marriage with this person, what are the strengths of the relationship that you've got into? What are your common challenges? How you can overcome them? How you can cooperate and work as a team to make your marriage a success? And if you are considering certain marriage proposals, it can help you know what will be the strength of the relationship, what are the other person's strengths, your strengths, challenges, and if you come together into the marriage, what with this person, what will be the impact on your system, that person's system, and how you can overcome the anticipated challenges. If you know that, you can navigate the reality, right? Another reading is the karmic reading. In this again we do 3 readings. One is what is your karmic backlog, another what is the karmic learning, and next what is your karmic gift. These readings can be done for your life, like what is my learning in this life, what is the karmic backlog I am carrying in this life, what is my gift in this life. This can also be done for a relationship. If there is a significant relationship and if you have reached a level where you can look at, what is the relationship trying to teach me, what I need to do What is the relationship offering me? Then you can go for this karmic reading for the relationship, and it will tell you your backlog, learnings and gift from that relationship. It may be a past, present or even a future. It can be done for anything. Or karmic reading can also be done from a significant incident in your life. Like you met with an accident and you are suffering till now, or suddenly your business crashed, or a relationship went sore and it was like deep trauma, you're still recovering, or something very intense happened to you and you're not able to come out of it. You're still asking why. If you really want to know why, these readings can tell you. These readings can really tell you what's going on, and we can build on this. Another reading that we do, a very useful reading, is a decision making reading. If you have a decision to make and you have options, we can do a chakra reading for each option and let you know that if you choose this will be the impact on your energy and system. If you choose that, what will be the impact? And I am not a person who is going to tell you that this is the best choice, or don't do this, do that. No, I will just tell you, if you choose this is the impact. If you choose this one, this is the impact. You make the choice. If you are having difficulty, I can help you with that. Like for example, if you have 2 job offers, so I can do a reading for you that if you choose this, what will be the impact on your chakras. So suppose in this job, money would be good, but there would be power struggles with authority figures. There would be a lot of mental stress, and you would not know what to do and how to do, and you would feel that my dreams and visions are not getting fulfilled, but the money is really good. There is stability in your life. So this job is coming with this energy. It will have this impact on your system. And the other job that you have the option of, that is maybe money is okay, stability is okay, however it is like you will love that work. You will be so much fulfilled. You would have the charge to get up and do something in that, show your caliber. So I can't say which is better for you. You choose. So this was just an example. Similarly, like if you want to join a college, which college to join, what are options? If you're a doctor, you are at presently in a job and you are contemplating whether should I start my own practice, or you are in a job, you want to do your own business. So what would be the impact? So it is like it gives you more information. You can make an informed choice. Okay, and you can work on the blockages to give you the best results. Far more than what the reading is showing now. Whatever the reading is showing, if you work on that, if you clear the blockages, it will give you far more than expected. Right? Another reading is a house reading or a building reading. So sometimes we think that our problems are because of this house or this office space or this building. So you can actually get a house reading done and see how are the energies of the house. Whatever issues you are facing, is it because of the house or it's your own energies? And very interesting readings I have done with house, like somewhere snakes used to just come out from nowhere in the ground, and then the person got the reading done, and there were certain family curses that we cleared in other sessions. But it came to you get to know what's actually causing this issue. One was like there used to be water leakage. Any new tap they put, if they are putting water in their tank on the roof, it would overflow. Every time water was leaking from their system. No matter how good a plumber they got, they had this problem. So we checked, and there was like the entire family was holding on their love for each other. They were scared to express their love. So very interesting readings happen, and if there is an issue in your house and you would like to know what's actually happening at the energetic subconscious mind level, we can know from this reading. And general reading of the house can also be done. Another reading is the company or the organization reading. This reading we check the chakras of the company or the organization, your business, and we see what are the blockages the company is facing and how we can overcome them. Like if the sacral chakra of your company is coming blocked, it tells me that you need to advertise more. You need to increase your popularity for the company to do well. Similarly, we check so many chakras of the company and we ask, like there was one company which was not making profit, and when we checked, so there was the right shoulder chakra which was coming blocked. This is about carrying a past baggage. So the company, so I asked the person that what is a past burden or baggage the company is carrying. So what came out in the discussion was that, most of the people in the company were near retirement, and actually they were just keeping those old people and they were not giving that much output. So it was a baggage. And the person, see, I can't tell you what to do. It's your company, you know the best, you are running the business. But we can come out with real solutions, like spiritual solutions to your issues. And then that person, the owner of the company, decided that, we'll give them about 6 months, 3 months salary, and they'll relieve them and get in fresh people who can really work. And this was the option that person gave. And when I checked it, yes, it was working well, the chakras were opening. So that's how we come to solutions. And if you are having certain options, like should I venture into this, we can see whether it will lead to your growth or not, company's growth. So this is how we do a company reading. There are many things we can know from chakra reading. So if there is something going on in your life that I have not covered, and you want to know what is happening at the subconscious level, what are the hidden causes, please feel free to reach out to me, and let's see what we can do with the reading, right? So if you really want to know why something is happening, if that is a burning question and you are sincere about knowing the why, these readings will give you a logical answer to illogical questions that the life brings to us. How you can get the reading? The details will be there in the description box. And I would love to do a reading for you sometime, someday. We don't know when. Namaste. Lots of love.